Welcome back, everybody. We are here at Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion 2024. We're here in the Jeep Performance Parts booth releasing our new AMW 392. This vehicle behind me here is going to utilize Jeep Performance parts throughout the vehicle that are factory backed and warranted, made by engineers from the OEMs for reliability and performance throughout. The AMW 392 is also going to be offered in an AMW 717 package utilizing Jeep Performance parts underneath and the famous Hellcat engine under the hood. Both of these packages will be utilizing Jeep Performance parts with the suspension, components, and also options throughout the vehicle that we can add to that upon customer request. These vehicles will be available from us or our dealer partners throughout the country that you may already know. With all that being said, this vehicle is powered by our AMW 392 conversion under the hood. Let's take a look at it. Under the hood of this AMW 392, you'll find the 6.4 liter HEMI. With our package, we run about 505 horsepower and 475 foot-pounds of torque. We've also outfitted this with the closed airbox, the full hydroglide system underneath for watershed and also to bring in that fresh cold air from outside. Moving to the front here, we have the Warn Wench 8S offered by Mopar using the Mopar Performance front bumper here, along with the Warn Fairlead mount and winch hook. Inserted into this Mopar Performance bumper here, we have the Baja Designs fog light kit. These Baja lights up front are the Squadron Rs offered through Mopar Performance. You can get these directly from your dealer or through Jeep Performance parts. This is a high-powered Baja light that is super easy install and really makes for a great factory upgrade option. Moving along to the side of the vehicle here, you can see that we've installed the Jeep Performance parts rock slide engineering steps. Now, there is a couple things that you get extra with these steps when you purchase from Mopar Performance parts. That includes a 2-year, 24,000 mile warranty that's serviceable by your local dealership. It also includes the Rock Slides Engineering light kit within the step, and then these have the optional skid plate on the outside as well, giving you that extra protection when you're on the trail so that if you do get hung up on something, you're completely protecting that step. Now, when you purchase this vehicle, one of the really cool things that we've done is it includes a one-of-a-kind badge of honor. This badge of honor signifies that it is an AMW built vehicle with genuine Jeep Performance parts and is just a really awesome keepsake to have on the vehicle for years to come. To speak a little bit more on the branding package on this vehicle, we've done some really cool stuff. Up on the hood here, we have the Rubicon Badge with the AMW 392 etched inside, along with the hood graphic, which we'll show you in a moment here. This hood graphic is going to be specific to these vehicle builds and can only be purchased with this vehicle. Along with the badging on the outside of this vehicle, it will also come with the America's Most Wanted gauge cluster faces, the shifter coins that you all know so well from our turnkey vehicles. Moving along to the suspension on this vehicle, this has the Jeep Performance parts 2-inch lift along with the Bilstein reservoir shocks. This setup is super smooth on the road. I've driven this vehicle around already, done some test miles on it, and it is super dialed in. This suspension package offering from Jeep Performance parts is engineered by the OEM to run a 35 or 37-inch tire with no issue. On the AMW 392 or AMW 717, both of these packages will be available with multiple wheel options of your choosing. On a 35 or 37, this vehicle is going to come equipped with the Mopar Performance brake pads with improved stopping power for that larger tire setup. In addition to the brake pads up front here, let's talk about the steering. Standard equipped on the AMW 392 will be the Steer Smart's 1.5-ton tie rod, drag link, and forged sway bar setup up front. This also is paired with the PSC Hydro Assist RAM, getting this vehicle dialed in for steering, for drivability, handling, and performance. With that being said about the front of this vehicle, let's move along to the back and take a look at one of the awesome options that we've added to this one. This specific vehicle is going to be equipped with our AMW Bob bed package, taking 10 inches off the rear, giving you better clearance for approach angle and departure angle on obstacles off-road. Also available with this AMW Bob bed package is our cut hard tonneau cover for maximum safety and keeping all your things dry out of the elements. Moving around all the way to the rear of the vehicle, we'll take a look at the Jeep Performance parts reverse light kit. These are Baja Design S1 lights in the rear here. This light kit is offered through Jeep Performance parts as well, and it's really awesome when you're backing up at night on an obstacle, need to see, and just shows amazing through that 4K backup camera. As we're looking at this Bob bed, we'll take a peek at the Gladiator badge across the tailgate. This will come standard on the AMW 392 or AMW 717 717 options as a signature piece of our AMW branding package. As we take a walk around the side of this vehicle, you'll notice the rear shocks here. These Bilstein reservoir clamps look absolutely amazing and keep that reservoir high and tight out of the way from debris. Let's take a peek at the inside, looking at some of the optional features that this vehicle has that are available on the AMW 392 and 717. On the interior of this vehicle, we've used the Armorlite Jeep Performance Parts affiliated flooring system. This flooring system gives durable grip, super washable, and utilizes the factory drain plugs to wash out any of that muck from off-roading, jumping in with the dog, or any other debris that you may find. It also doubles as a very nice noise insulator for any of that exterior noise when you're inside the vehicle with the windows up, cruising on the highway. On the dash of this vehicle, we've installed the Jeep Performance Parts accessory rail. This rail offers a bunch of different mounting solutions for different things that you would like up on the dash, like radio mounts, phone mounts, and any other accessories that you may have that needs to be mounted up there for maximum visibility. One of my favorite features about this vehicle, after driving it pretty consistently over the past week here, has been the MB Court sound system that is a Jeep Performance affiliate part. This sound system sounds absolutely amazing. It comes with two 10-inch subs under the rear seat. Every single speaker in the vehicle has been completely replaced, from the tweeters to the mids under the dash. Like I said, one of my very favorite features on this vehicle, other than the skinny pedal. After launching this vehicle, we'd love to hear what you think of it. We want to know what you guys would like to see us do, if this is a package that you would buy, and if so, let us know. We have the AMW 392 Gladiator available, the AMW 717 Wrangler, and 717 Gladiator as well. These models will be coming out in the following months, and we can't wait to show you what those look like. With this being said, with this vehicle, we hope to offer a wider range of vehicles, making it more affordable to get into a HEMI powered vehicle and also get out there, experience the trail with some amazing parts, expanding our product line to a wider customer base and helping more of you have the fun that we do in these HEMI powered vehicles. With that being said, we're going to take a look at some of the other vehicles we brought down here. After that, that'll be it for us here at Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. We'll see you next time. You'll also get the America's Most Wanted 4x4 windshield banner.